So this is the W. It's a whole complex. There are about 4 buildings and they're numbered differently. So that's 130, 190 is over there, and then this building is 180, which I live in. And I will be giving you the tour today. So basically it's an apartment complex that you can rent out, and we have your own room, your own washroom, everything's en suite, and you share the apartment. I think you can have 2 roommates, 3 roommates, 4 roommates, or 5 roommates. I have 3 other roommates, so 4 in my complex. And I'll just give you a tour. Okay, so this is how it looks. The sky is so beautiful today. And this is my building, 180. Yeah, I'll just give you a tour. You can also have parking. You basically pay for parking, like I think like on a monthly basis, but you can also have parking here. And I'll give you a tour of inside. So this is how inside looks. We have like this Canada Post locker thing to be our package from Canada Post. They basically put a key inside, you can get the package. Then we have mailboxes. And this part is called the district. And then to enter, you have to use the keypad, so we have a code. So I'll just put in my own code. So we're currently on floor 1. We have elevators. We have 3 floors in this building. I live on the first floor. This is how like the corridor and walking place looks. We're taking a walk. So they're different apartments. Here, mine is 106. And then you come in, we have like a laundry room over here. You can lock the door. And there's like a sitting area and a TV area. And then we have a whole kitchen area. And then we have 2 rooms in there. 2 rooms in there. And then we have like you can see outside. Yep, what a beautiful view.